Yeshua on the key of C. Remember to follow me, like and comment on my video. I will appreciate so much. The key of A is simple. The diatonic chords that are found on the key of A major, B minor, C sharp minor, D major, E major, F sharp minor, G sharp diminished back to A major. So the song is Yeshua, our voice D, Yeshua, Amashiach, Lion of Judah. That is major 3, which is our C sharp dominant 7. Now we are not playing it as a minor but as a major, but with a 7th on top. Yeshua, D, which is 4. Amashiach, Lion of Judah, C sharp dominant 7, but in a first inversion. Lion of Judah, Agne Chamber, that is a 6th, F sharp minor, but in a first inversion. Yeshua, this is a B minor. Yeshua, B minor, which is number 2. Amashiach, Lion of Judah, that major 3, C sharp dominant 7, Agne Chamber. It is just as simple as that. That is F sharp, natural minor scale. F sharp is number 6th of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are playing the A scale, but starting from F sharp. So it becomes natural minor scale. As simple as that.